Hey everyone, Casio is preparing to expand its affordable AE-1500 digital watch lineup with the release of two new variants, the AE-1500WHC-1AV and AE-1500WHC-8AV, which have recently appeared in listings from a European retailer. These models preserve the classic functional design of the AE-1500 series, but add a modern twist with colored digital displays that immediately stand out. The Casio AE-1500WHC-1AV comes with a sleek black resin case and strap, paired with a green-tinted display that enhances visibility and gives it a sporty edge. The AE-1500WHC-8AV, on the other hand, opts for a gray body and strap with an orange display, creating a stylish contrast that feels fresh yet familiar to Casio enthusiasts. Both models retain the same overall build and dimensions as earlier AE-1500 editions, measuring 54.4 by 51.2 by 15.7 millimeters, making them large yet lightweight wristwatches suited for everyday wear. Casio's approach with these new AE-1500WHC variants focuses on reliability and practicality. The watches feature a circular digital screen that displays the time, date, and day of the week, all configurable in either 12-hour or 24-hour formats. Functionality remains a strong point, as each model includes a 1/100th of a second stopwatch for precision timing, a countdown timer with a maximum duration of 24 hours, and 5 daily alarms for reminders or wake-up alerts. These core tools make the AE-1500WHC series a dependable choice for those who prefer straightforward, utilitarian watches. The watches are also built for resilience. They are water-resistant up to 10 ATM, ensuring they can handle splashes, rain, or even light swimming sessions without issue. An LED backlight is integrated to illuminate the screen in dark environments, maintaining the readability that has long been a hallmark of Casio's digital watches. The use of resin for both the case and strap helps keep the overall weight down while ensuring durability, a key reason the AE-1500 series continues to be popular among those seeking dependable timepieces at a reasonable price. Retailer David at Philly in France is already offering pre-orders for both the AE-1500WHC-1AV and AE-1500WHC-8AV at a price of €49 each, with official availability expected on December 15th. However, Casio itself has yet to issue an official announcement or confirm the wider international release schedule for these models. In essence, the new Casio AE-1500WHC watches blend timeless design and trusted functionality with subtle but appealing visual updates. They remain true to Casio's philosophy of offering affordable, robust, and easy-to-use digital watches, now enhanced with a touch of color that gives them a refreshing modern character without compromising their classic appeal. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.